Hey there, foodie! Welcome back to Food Facts for You. Today, we're diving deep into something that's in practically every kitchen: sunflower oil. But hold on to your spatulas, because we're unveiling some secrets about mass-produced sunflower oil that might just surprise you. So, you know that bottle of sunflower oil chilling in your pantry? It's a staple, right? But have you ever wondered how it goes from a sunny field of sunflowers to that neatly packaged bottle on the store shelf? Well, buckle up because we're about to spill the beans. Here's the deal. That mass-produced sunflower oil you snag from the supermarket goes through a chemical process that involves a little something called hexane. Yup, you heard me right, hexane, the same stuff you'll find in gasoline. Crazy, right? Now, before you start freaking out and chucking your oil out the window, let's break this down. Why on earth do they use hexane in the production of sunflower oil? Well, it's all about efficiency, my friends. Hexane is a solvent that helps extract every last drop of oil from those sunflower seeds. It's like a super efficient oil extractor on steroids. They basically dunk the seeds in hexane to draw out the oil. You've got yourself a ton of oil in no time. But here's the kicker: that's not where the story ends. See, even though they claim they remove most of the hexane, there could still be traces left in the oil you pour into your frying pan. And while the FDA says these tiny amounts aren't harmful, some folks have their doubts. Who wants even a hint of gasoline-related stuff in their stir-fry, right? And get this, hexane isn't just chilling in the oil. It might tag along to your body too. Inhaling high levels of hexane can mess with your nervous system, causing dizziness and headaches. So, while the amounts in your oil might be small, it still makes you wonder if there's a better way to get that golden goodness without the chemical sidekick. Now, let's talk alternatives. There's a whole world of oils out there that don't involve hexane or chemical wizardry. Ever tried cold-pressed sunflower oil? It's like the hipster cousin of the mass-produced stuff. They use a mechanical process instead of chemicals to squeeze out the oil, keeping it all natural. And if you're looking for other options that bring both flavor and health benefits to the table, there's olive oil, avocado oil, and even coconut oil. Each has its own unique taste and a bunch of health perks. Olive oil? It's like the rock star of the oil world with its heart-healthy vibes. Avocado oil? Smooth, buttery, and loaded with those good-for-you fats. And coconut oil? It's a multitasking miracle worker that's great for cooking and even your skin. Okay, back to the hexane saga. While the amounts left in the oil might not send you running for the hills, it's essential to know what you're putting into your body. Some studies suggest that these small traces of hexane might affect your body over time, especially if you're chowing down on it regularly. We're talking potential long-term health impacts here, and that's definitely something to mull over. Sure, the convenience of grabbing that bottle of sunflower oil off the shelf is tempting, but is it worth the potential trade-off? It's a bit of a food for thought situation, isn't it? Alright, here's the scoop: mass-produced sunflower oil might have its production secrets, but there are alternatives out there that skip the chemical rodeo. It's all about making informed choices and finding what works best for you and your kitchen adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with all our tasty discussions. Thanks for joining us on this eye-opening oil journey today. Until next time, bye.